Hey guys, welcome to another exciting video from Futurism. In this video, we finally break the most exciting news electric vehicle fans have been waiting for. Elon Musk has finally unveiled his new 4680 battery. That's right. But before we get into details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon if you haven't already, so that you don't miss any new videos from us. That said, let's get going. The Fremont Factory on Kato Road has opened a recruiting ramp for Tesla's 4680 pilot line. Tesla is looking for production associates to work on the 4680 manufacturing line. According to the company's career page, you must be at least 18 years old to be considered for a production associate position. There is no requirement for prior experience or a degree to apply for the position. According to Tesla, production associate jobs, according to Tesla's definition, are physically demanding jobs. Tesla's recent employment ramp for the 4680 pilot production line in Fremont suggests the company may have overcome calendaring issues. As Elon Musk mentioned during the company's most recent earnings call, transitioning from small-scale manufacturing to large-scale volume production is a difficult task. Without getting too technical, we're currently having difficulty calendaring or squashing the cathode material to a specific height. During the Q2 2021 earnings call, Musk stated, "It basically runs through these rollers that is smashed like pizza dough, but extremely hard pizza dough," the narrator explains. "It's making a dent in the calendar's pages." He explained that it didn't happen when the calendar rolls were smaller, but it did happen when they were larger. Tesla plans to produce Model Y vehicles with structural battery packs with 4680 cells once operations at Giga Texas and Giga Berlin begin. On the other hand, Tesla has a backup strategy that includes non-structural battery packs and 2170 cells. Musk also mentioned that a large amount of equipment for high-volume cell production was either on order or on its way to Giga Austin and Giga Berlin. Tesla, he claims, will be able to produce 100 gigawatts per year on an annualized basis by 2022. Tesla's Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, Andrew Baglino, stated, "By the end of the year, we'll have all of the technology in place to achieve 100 gigawatt hours. And it's likely that we'll be at a 100 gigawatt per hour yearly pace by the end of 2022. Today, the first walls of Tesla Giga Berlin's battery plant went up on a construction site, signaling the start of work. In 2019, Tesla announced that it would be building a new car factory in Brandenburg, Germany, near Berlin. Because of the city's size, the facility has been dubbed Giga Berlin, and it will be used to sell the company's vehicles to European customers who have been more accepting of electric vehicles than customers in other parts of the world. As the primary production facility where vehicle assembly will take place nears completion, the plant is expected to start producing vehicles later this year. Tesla's contracted construction workers are busy on the battery manufacturing plant, which will produce the new 4680 structural cells that the car maker announced in September 2020 as vehicle production approaches. After receiving preliminary approval to develop the site earlier this year, the battery plant is starting to take shape, according to new photos shared on Twitter by @GF4Tesla. Despite the fact that Tesla's battery plant has yet to reach its final approval, German authorities only give preliminary approval to projects with a good chance of being approved in the end. According to a report in Tagesspiegel, the initiative has already received financial support. Tesla could receive up to 1.135 billion euro from the Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs and Energy, according to a German news site, because the project may be included in the EU's Important Project of Common European Interest initiative. Tesla will ship cells from its Kato Road facility in Northern California to Germany to assist in the production of electric vehicles, as the factory will be ready to manufacture vehicles before the 4680 battery lines ramp up. As of today, 4680 cells will be included in the first Model Y models to leave the factory assembly lines. The facility CEO, Elon Musk, expects it to be one of the world's largest battery manufacturing plants when it's finished. "I think it'll be the most important," Musk said in November at the European Battery Conference 2020. "It would be able to produce more than 100 gigawatts per hour per year, with the potential to grow to 200 to 250 gigawatts per hour per year in the future. At the time, I'm confident it would be the world's largest battery cell plant." Tesla has begun shipping Model 3 and Model Y vehicles built at Giga Shanghai, China, to Europe in order to meet the current demand for Tesla vehicles in the region. As Giga Berlin ramps up production, which could supply the European market with up to 500,000 vehicles per year in its first year, exports of these vehicles may begin to decline. A fast-charging cylindrical battery cell based on Tesla's 4680 battery cell that can be fully charged in 10 minutes has been introduced, according to StoreDot, an Israeli lithium-ion battery manufacturer. StoreDot took several years to develop its own 4680 cylindrical silicon-dominant battery cell, which was kicked off in a collaboration with BP, a British oil and gas supermajor, and one of StoreDot's key partners at Warwick University in the United Kingdom. StoreDot claims that their new 4680 format has been increasingly preferred by global vehicle manufacturers for over 3 years. Although it's unclear whether StoreDot is trying to avoid any potential legal challenges over the design of its new battery cells, the company's official press release emphasized not only its 3-year development process, but also that the 4680 battery cell technology is covered by 5 patents in the area of cell design and uses StoreDot's continuous tab technology. From the beginning, StoreDot's technical roadmap has included achieving the goal of extreme rapid charging of a cylindrical cell in under 10 minutes, said StoreDot CEO Dr. Doron Meyersdorf. "I am enormously pleased with the effective teamwork across our globe that enables this major success after 3 years of intense development and testing, using many vectors of our world-class investigations. It's critical for us to be able to offer electric vehicle manufacturers a variety of cell forms that use our XFC technology to address current EV ownership barriers like range and charging anxiety." Tesla unveiled its own 4680 battery cell design at its much-anticipated Battery Day in mid-2020. The designation of 4680 refers to the cylindrical battery's diameter of 46mm and of 80mm in length. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated during the unveiling that the new battery will have 5 times the energy density of current battery packs, cut cell design costs by 14% per kilowatt per hour, increase range by 16%, and produce 6 times the power. StoreDot makes similar claims about the 4680 battery cell's improved efficiency and power. According to StoreDot, their cylindrical design would reduce charging time by half in both pouch and cylinder versions at the same cost. Furthermore, StoreDot's continuous tab technology increases throughput while addressing common safety and performance issues associated with cylindrical cell hard case construction. According to StoreDot, the 4680 cylindrical cell shape required a unique chemical adaptation to address concerns such as higher internal pressure, gas discharge, and possible leakage. Regardless, the company claims that it is the world's first use of silicon-dominant anode extreme rapid charge cylindrical cells. StoreDot's extreme fast charge pouch and cylinder forms are being scaled up by EVE Energy and will be ready for mass production in 2024. Cylindrical cell samples are now being ramped up on production lines at EVE Energy, StoreDot's manufacturing partner in China. We're happy that our silicon-dominant XFC battery cell chemistry is adaptable and can be used in a variety of package forms to meet changing market demands, Meyersdorf continued. Our cylinder and pouch cell form factors are both safe, dependable, and stable, with mass production starting in 2024. We're in advanced discussions with a number of major manufacturers about supplying them with a variety of XFC cells, which will enable a rapid transition to a zero-emissions electrified future. 2 statements made at Tesla's previous Battery Day in September of last year. The most heated debate was sparked by a hint that Tesla would produce a $25,000 vehicle in a few years. The introduction of the 4680 battery cell, a new cell type expected to be available in volume in 2021, was more immediate. This cell is 10 millimeters longer and has a diameter more than double that of the 2170 type, currently used in most Tesla vehicles. Tesla vehicles would have a 16% longer range, 6 times the power, and cost 14% less per kilowatt per hour, according to Musk. However, the new technology is not without flaws. Musk stated at the September 2020 Battery Day that by September 2021, Tesla would have produced about 10 gigawatts per hour of new cells. In 2020, on the other hand, the output yield was only 20%. This isn't surprising, given that it isn't just a technical upgrade to a larger cell. The new cell is called tabless because it uses dry electrode fabrication, which reduces the number of steps in the manufacturing process and allows a wider range of anode and cathode materials to be used. What are your thoughts on Tesla's new 4680 battery? Do you think they'll have a big impact in the next few years? Please share your thoughts with us in the section down below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Futurism for more such exciting content and latest updates. See you in the next video.